Hello and welcome from digitalpreppro.com. In this video, I will be talking about meaning of words and more specifically speaking, how the meaning of the sentence changes with a simple change in a word. So the meaning of the word is very important in GMAT examinations, and in GMAT examinations what you will be tested is not only one is grammar, that is the normal standard rules of grammar, but also you will be tested on the meaning of words and the meaning of the words it carry in the sentences itself. Meaning of the words and the meaning that carries in the sentences itself. So the meaning of the word is very important in GMAT sentence correction question. This particular video is not a sentence correction question, but rather it is a very important component of the sentence correction question. It will tell us how the simple words can change the total meaning of the sentence from one to another. Let's take a simple sentence like this. Rising cost to raw materials may impel us to raise price further. Now please see some of the words over here. Costs to raw materials may impel us and farther, and also another word, that is rise. Now here these four words are changed, and if it can be changed to costs of raw materials may impel us to raise price further. Now here see, if I substitute the first sentence, the underlined portion of the first sentence, with the second clause, this one, what will happen is that these four words will change. See, here cost is changed to off, impel is changed to impale, rise is changed to raise, and further is changed to further. So how does this change the meaning of the sentence? See, when I'm talking about the rising cost to raw materials may impel us to rise the prices further, it means that because the raw material costs are getting higher, which will impel somebody or us over here, as it is mentioned, to rise the prices of the product for a little bit more higher. Now here the sentence over here does not mean that way. On the other hand, if I substitute with this second sentence, it also does not mean that way. Why? See, here this one is justified. Rising cost to raw materials is not a good way of saying it, or rather a wrong way of saying it. Cost of raw materials is the correct way of saying it. So this is the correct one, correct justified thing. Now impel means to force somebody, whereas impale, impale, impale means to pierce something with a sharp or pointed instrument or something like that. So the impel means to force somebody. It means it is justified, where this word shouldn't have been changed. Impel means yes, it has to be changed. So this word change is absolutely not justified. But here see, rise, you can rise above the rest. You can say that I can, I'm sorry about this color of this. Let me change the color. Okay, let me take some other color. Okay, I will rise above the rest. This is a correct sentence. Rather, if I change it to raise, if this word is changed to raise, raise means to bring out or to upbringing of somebody. So raise, or it can also mean, raise means to make something some value or something, or the cost of something higher than what it was previously. So raise over here, rise does not fit in this sentence. Rise does not fit in this sentence, but rather raise fits in this sentence. So this is correct. Cost of raw materials is correct, raise is correct, and of course farther, you can also only you can guess it. Farther means you can throw a ball farther, but prices can be raised further means it has been raised and again it is being raised again. So the farther will change to further. This is also correct, but this particular word raise is not correct, and that is the reason why this sentence, in this particular sentence, what is being written over here as the rising cost to raw materials may impel us to rise the price further, cannot be changed with this particular clause of the sentence. Cost of raw materials may impel us to raise the prices further. So this is how the meaning of small little things, small little changes in the words might give you a lot of change in the meaning, and this is why meaning of the words is very important in GMAT examination questions, and specifically in sentence correction questions. This is digitalpreppro.com. We welcome you for this video. Thanks for watching it. If you like this video, please press the like icon, and of course if you want to subscribe to our channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out in any of the videos that we will be further uploading in our channel. If you want to know more about our offerings, digitalpreppro.com, you can visit over here, where you can see our website, where you can see what offerings do we have for GMAT and other preparation examinations. Thank you very much.